Look my hair. Trying to make my hair.
Learning to do my daughter's hair by myself is one of the biggest fun challenge I have ever seen, because sometimes she look at me like mom, what are you doing on my hair, So anyway, let's get started, as I'm going to style her hair for tomorrow's service. Yes, in here I have my aloe vera and my clove water mixed together in this container, and I also have this hair cream I'm applying to it. I will make sure that I massage it. This aloe vera and clove water help me to detangle the hair, because she has this full virgin hair, and I'm not I added or used relaxer or gel on this hair before. So I always make use of aloe vera and clove water to detangle the hair. Then I will go with this hair cream. This is the only items I use on her hair. So quite right now I don't really know the style we are going to make, but if you are a mom or any auntie looking for hairstyle to make your little one, I want you to watch this video to the end so you stop cracking your brain like me. So now I'll go ahead to part a little portion and hold the other part with the band. Then I'm making sure that the lines are clean as possible. You can see I'm still learning anyway, but I think we'll give it our best. Then I'll use the comb to comb it out after cutting the one. But what she doesn't like her someone combing her hair. You tell you it's painful, but all this we need to do the what we need to do. We need to she don't anytime you see her act like that, the thing don't enter her brain. So I'm going to just weave it up back. It's a simple weaving you are going to make. We are not making use of any attach or extension on this hair, just a hair that we are going to make use of. Then I will just go ahead to weave it and making sure that everything is perfectly weaved. So now this is the last stage. We are going to spread, because whenever I cut, I go ahead to spread the water, the clove water and the aloe vera. Then I also go ahead to comb it out again. Then I start weaving. This is the last stage. Guys, take a close look at this stage. You don't want to miss any part of this video. If you have not come up with any idea of hairstyle, I'll bet you to try this hairstyle on your little one. It give them a kind of fitting. Yes, it gives them a kind of fitting. Yes, she's just shaking her head. And she play with her bubble. Oh, little Augusta just woke up from sleep. The next thing that is looking for where to start disturbing us from. So now I will go ahead to weave it down to the final part. This is the weaving stage. Then I don't know what we need to do. We need to come up with something, because this hair is too simple. Yes, we like it too simple, too casual for church, for for little kids. So I'll go ahead to I'm thinking of what to use on this hair, but hola, something came up. So I'll go ahead to use my bead. This is our basket of ribbons. So I'm looking for the bead, because I wash it and pour it on this basket to dry. So I'm looking for the bead. I will select the bead and different colors of bead. Kids and bead, they have flaw. They always misplace, or you lost it, or you put on their head, the next thing they'll tell you it have fallen, or you will not see it again. So I'll go ahead to decorate the hair with different colors of bead. I'm still thinking of how would this hair look, but I think the beauty is already out on her. Then Lucas, I keep disturbing us and looking for what to distract us with. And me, I'm trying to make him shift, but no way. Okay, now we'll go with our rubber band and hold the tip so that the bead will not fall. So that is what we'll be doing on this stage. This is a simple hairstyle. Just cut the hair into simple style and use your bead to go through it. It's as simple as ABCD. This is it, guys. This is what we could come up with. This is our little one's hair. So every Saturday is kind of a ritual that I must make her hair against Sunday. Yes, because tomorrow is church and I cannot start dressing her hair because she have full hair. Anytime I dress Annabelle's hair on Sunday, I end up going to church that very late that Sunday. So I decided that every Saturday I'll be making her hair. So guys, let's know what you think. Rate this hair 100 over 100 for us.